Alright everybody, we're currently working our way to the top of this pine so I can cut it down. It's just me and Evan today, so we'll see how much we can get done, at least get it topped out. And we've got some other small stuff we got to take care of till we can get the full crew here. And I noticed last video that I was breathing pretty hard because I'm a mouth breather. So just going to deal with it. Hey Evan, do you get that white rope? We'll see if we can't. There's a little Japanese maple on the bottom that we can't hit this directly under. So I'm hoping y'all can see this well. I might do a test run. Stop the video here and see what it looks like. Yeah. Go ahead and hey, can you flick it on this side of that dead thing? Flick it on this side of the dead thing. And see, I've got these nice helmets that have the Cena Tough Talk, and I just don't have them hooked up. Are you ready? It's a little one, so here we go. Let it go. Yeah. All right. Are you ready? Let it go, let it go. There we go. Do I need to hold it? Make my life easier, I think I'm gonna go down and trim all these oaks, because this is just gonna be entirely too hard to fight this, and then I can leave this rope and I can get back up here. That's what we can do. Well, I'll leave it on me, I mean. So actually, hey, tie that white rope off. We're gonna leave it down. I'm gonna come down and trim all these oaks, because that's just gonna be a headache. Yeah, just so it doesn't get pulled back up in the tree. See if we can't rappel down here. And I'll probably have to end up pulling my stuff over anyways. But let's swing out if we can. Yeah, but I don't like that. Let's just go down. I can go around. Because there's a big branch down here I can situate myself on and get over there a little bit easier. Hey Evan, I'm gonna put a rope on it. We'll rig this oak down so we don't hit that Japanese maple. So let's swing out over here. And I got that little stub. There we go. Grab my tail end. Oh, my fault. All right. You ready? Probably gonna get tangled up too, but we'll see. There we go. There we go. I think we'll be okay. Just rappel down. That one's dead, but once I can get to it. But either on the pine or the oak, because you're gonna have to lower me down because my climbing rope's not long enough. Ooh, headache. See, it flipped around. I don't like all that. Don't care for this dead stuff. But you know, sometimes. So luckily I'm not tied in on it, of course. But it's not always the most fun to deal with. So, slightly spurring to this one. And get all that when I'm going down, and I'll swing around. Watch out. Even though this seems like it might be taking a long time, I promise you, the amount it's gonna save when we're rigging is gonna be far more worth it. Oh, that should clear us out pretty good. All right, we're back up here. Wind's kicking up a little more than I care for just because of how our rigging spot is. We don't have a whole lot of room, but I'm gonna try to get in a better position and we'll get a better rope set and we can see what the best thing to do is. But yeah, so just found out, pretty sure my climber has COVID, so that's why I have to take over the main part today. So hopefully he's okay and nothing's to worry about him. I don't think so. He's pretty healthy, so I think that'll bode in his favor. I switched this big 3/4 inch rope because all my littler ones aren't long enough for this. This one's probably 90 feet, 80 feet. Nothing crazy. Let's see, the best way to run this, be under. This little thingamajiggy. Hopefully this rope fits in here. It does. It's gonna be a tight bit.
That's what she said.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Crystal Seth. Today I'm gonna be showing you some footage from when we were cutting down a pine tree today, and we were 2 guys down, so it's just me and Mr. Evan, and so we got a little done, but we should be able to knock it out tomorrow. Hopefully I can get some footage on that. But now I'm just back in my shop going to piddle around and do some stuff with that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.